Right, yes, hi all. So yeah, here we go. The Night Mag V4s, they are now fixed and looking absolutely superb. There's no like marks basically on the outside, so I'm really pleased I was able to do the comprehensive repair on one of them, plus new batteries as well, and not get any blatant marks on them. So they look, I'm pretty sure, how they arrived, but obviously now they've got fixed laces as well, which is good. So yeah, that's it there. So got a bit of beer in there at the moment. So what I've done is I've just used glue just to glue down the inner, the really sort of thick inner sole, and obviously something like a beer or something just weighs it down, keeps it all sort of even and gluing properly and all that. But yeah, they look absolutely epic. So the on-off button there, and just a quick look at the laces, which are just here. There. And obviously they'll tighten up significantly tighter, but I don't like to sort of overwork it, obviously when there's a beer in there, you know. But yeah, they tighten up really nicely. But yeah, they're very good. But I'd always recommend anyway on these anyway, you know, that you don't necessarily want to tighten them up fully anyway, unless you're sort of showing off them to somebody, in which case it doesn't matter. But if your foot's going in, you kind of want to tighten up just to there, just gripping your foot really. You know, I wouldn't over tighten them, because then you might possibly risk pulling the laces through, possibly if you get caught on something. But otherwise, these shoes are absolutely epic. So nice. Look at those. And there's the other one there. So yeah, I've just weighed them, measured them up, going back to America today or tomorrow. So yes, absolutely love these. Let's move these quickly just into the light, just to sort of enjoy the quality. There we go. Amazing, lovely shoes. Cool. That's that, yeah. Perfect. So yeah, anyway, if anybody wants a set of these, you can go, trusted seller in the UK is Air Mag King on Instagram. He is top notch. I'm actually getting my version 4s from him today. Top guy. And yeah, if anyone needs repairs, let me know. They're very complex shoes. Check out my other videos, you'll see them. But they are amazing, you know. They really are, you know, the best shoes, you know. When someone comes up to you at a car show and says, oh, do they auto lace? Yeah, boom, yes they do, have some of that. Cool. Thanks for watching all. And yeah, if anyone needs any repairs, doing any mags, let me know. I'm in the UK. Delivery from America to the UK is generally about sort of £60 each way, with a level of insurance, and then also the repair on top. So just bear that all in mind. Great, cheers.